Metal detecting the House of Oz with the Teknetics T2 Plus. Thought I'd give you an intro. This video will be metal detecting on an old homestead site that was here prior to 1872, and it was another victim of the tornado that went through in the late 1800s. And I named this video The House of Oz because the home was literally picked up and thrown across the road into the swamp. And it originally did not have a cellar, and so they dug a cellar and put the house back on it, on the foundation that they built. The current homeowner has moved the house back 500 or 600 feet back from where it was. They have restored it and they are adding, and presently are adding on to it. So anything that I find here relic wise, I'm giving to them, and she wants to do a shadow box with the relics. And I will be bringing with me my friend Mike, who has a degree in archaeology, and he misses it. He hasn't, done any digging in a while, so he says he's ready to get his hands dirty. So I'll get back to you when we find something. Welcome to Digging with Deej. And I have my friend Mike, who doesn't like to be filmed, so we're not putting his face on film. This was our first target, was an 8889 signal on the Teknetics T2 Plus, and it ended up being a 1976 quarter. On to the next target. Bazinga! Third target. It says made in USA. Western Expert. I've never found one like that. I'll have to research that. On to the next. This baby doll is across the fence. Yes. Got a mask on to protect her eyes from all the flies. Look at all them flies. Poor baby. Very lovable horsey. Yeah. Very lovable, yes. The signal jumping from 77 to 86 that Mike's been working on getting under the roots. So we're hoping it's not big iron, but we'll see. Get back to you. Success! Mike got it out. Look at that hole and all them roots. It's part of a horse's bit. Awesome. On to the next. Okay, this is our next target we're working on. It's a 77, 7 inches deep. So I'll get back to you when we find it. First thing Mike pulled out of the hole was this bone. Piece of bone. Got it out. I have no idea what it is. Giant. Fooled the detector. Those big holes. Well, Mike dug another one for me, and it is a copper or brass escutcheon, and it's complete. Minus the handles. We're going to rescan the hole and make sure the handles aren't in there. Isn't that beautiful? Got a 1942 Wheatie. Woohoo! Second coin. It's been here. We've been here 4 hours, but we talked to the homeowner for probably a good hour. So, but this is what we found. This iron thing, but it's not real rusty. It doesn't have a whole lot of surface rust on it. We're not sure exactly what that is. Got fooled by a couple of bent nails. Got the horse's bit here, part of the horse's bit. Beautiful escutcheon plate for a piece of furniture. Beautiful. And we got it out whole without any hole damaging it. A piece of a mason jar lid insert. A Wheatie. A modern quarter. And a head stamp. It says Western Expert. And that's what we found today. It's really dry. I know once we get a good drenching rain, there's going to be signals everywhere. So, a lot better signals. But that's how we did today. So, remember, never give up. You don't always find good stuff every time you go out. You got to be patient. And I will see you next week. Thanks for watching.